Welcome to the Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you ready to build your dream PC with the latest and greatest tech? Dive into our ultimate guide to the best PC case 2024, where we unveil the most innovative and stylish cases on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or someone who craves a sleek, high-performance setup, finding the right PC case is crucial. In today's video, we explore a range of designs that not only enhance airflow and cooling efficiency, but also match your style and functionality needs. Don't settle for less. Watch now to discover which PC case will house your next powerful build. Let's unlock the perfect combination of durability, aesthetics, and cutting-edge features for your ideal PC setup. Number 5. Corsair EQ5000 XRGB Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Smart Case, a top contender for Best PC Case 2024. The Corsair EQ5000 XRGB Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Smart Case is a stellar choice for those scouting the market for the Best PC Case 2024. This model distinguishes itself with a design that blends high functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it a prime pick for gamers and professional builders alike. Crafted from durable tempered glass, the 5000 XRGB not only offers a robust structure, but also provides a clear view of the internal components, allowing for a stunning display of the integrated RGB lighting. The three included 120mm RGB fans are not just for show, they provide exceptional airflow, ensuring that your system stays cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy computational tasks. The smart case's versatility is further enhanced by its spacious interior, which supports multiple motherboard formats including ATX, Mini ITX, and Micro ATX. This makes it highly adaptable for various custom builds. Cable management is a breeze with the 5000 XRGB, thanks to its thoughtful design that includes multiple routing channels and Velcro cable straps, keeping the inside neat and tidy, which is crucial for optimal airflow and aesthetics. Overall, the Corsair EQ5000 XRGB combines functionality, style, and innovation, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to invest in the best PC case in 2024. Whether you're assembling a high-end gaming rig or a powerful workstation, this case offers the quality and features needed to create a top-notch build. Number 4. Fractal Design Terra Jade, a unique addition to Best PC Case 2024 contenders. The Fractal Design Terra Jade Mini ITX gaming case is an exquisite blend of style and functionality, setting it apart as a notable contender for the Best PC Case 2024. This case marries the natural elegance of a wood walnut front panel with the modern durability of anodized aluminum panels, creating a visually striking and robust enclosure that appeals to gamers and professional users alike. Designed for the small form factor enthusiast, the Terra Jade supports Mini ITX motherboards, making it an ideal choice for those looking to build a compact yet powerful PC. The inclusion of a PCIe 4.0 riser cable is a significant feature, ensuring compatibility with the latest high-speed graphics cards and future-proofing your system for emerging technologies. Overall, the Fractal Design Terra Jade is not just a PC case but a statement piece that combines cutting-edge features with unmatched aesthetic appeal. Its unique design and high-quality materials make it a standout option for anyone seeking the best PC case in 2024, especially those who value both form and function in their computing setups. Number 3. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact, top choice for Best PC Case 2024. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact Black ATX computer case is a compelling choice for those searching for the Best PC Case 2024. This mid-tower model is designed with a focus on high airflow and flexibility, making it ideal for gamers and tech enthusiasts who demand optimal cooling and customizable configurations. Key to the Meshify 2 Compact's appeal is its distinctive dark-tinted tempered glass window that offers a sleek look while showcasing the internals of your build. The case's angular mesh front panel not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also significantly enhances air intake, ensuring that your components stay cool even under heavy loads. The interior of the Meshify 2 Compact is thoughtfully designed to support a variety of configurations. It accommodates ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, with generous space for high-performance graphics cards and multiple storage options. The flexible layout includes movable trays for easy installation and rearrangement of components to suit any setup. In terms of connectivity, this case includes front I/O ports that are strategically placed for easy access, featuring USB 3.0, USB Type-C, and audio inputs. Cable management is simplified with well-placed tie points and routing channels that help maintain a clean and orderly appearance inside the case. Overall, the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact stands out in the market for its robust build quality, superior airflow capabilities, and versatile interior. Its balance of aesthetics, performance, and usability makes it a top candidate for anyone looking to invest in the best PC case for 2024, perfect for building a high-end PC setup. Number 2, Corsair 4000D Airflow, strong contender for best PC case 2024. The Corsair 4000D Airflow tempered glass mid-tower ATX case is designed to meet the demands of enthusiasts and gamers alike, making it a strong contender for the best PC case 2024. This case emphasizes high airflow and robust build quality, ensuring that it not only looks great but also performs exceptionally under intense computing conditions. Featuring a minimalist design with a clean black finish, the 4000D Airflow is constructed with a durable steel frame and a tempered glass side panel that allows for a clear view of the internal components. The front panel is engineered for maximum air intake, equipped with a perforated steel grille that guarantees superior cooling. Inside, the case is incredibly user-friendly, offering a spacious interior that can house multiple ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX components without feeling cramped. It includes two pre-installed 120mm fans that provide a baseline for excellent airflow, but there's ample room for additional cooling solutions, including multiple radiator configurations. The cable management system in the 4000D Airflow is another highlight, featuring Corsair's rapid drop design, which allows for quick and easy cable routing through a single channel, keeping the setup looking neat and tidy. This not only enhances airflow but also simplifies maintenance and upgrades. Overall, the Corsair 4000D Airflow excels in delivering a blend of aesthetic simplicity, cooling efficiency, and practical functionality, making it a top pick for anyone seeking the best PC case in 2024 for a high-performance, visually appealing setup. Number 1, NIST H710i, a top contender for best PC case 2024. The NIST H710i ATX mid-tower PC gaming case emerges as an outstanding candidate for the best PC case 2024. Combining sleek aesthetics with innovative functionality tailored for serious gamers and PC builders. This model, with its striking white and black design, not only adds a stylish touch to any setup but also packs a host of features that enhance both performance and user experience. A stand-up feature of the H710i is its quick-release tempered glass side panel, which offers hassle-free access to the internals, making upgrades and maintenance a breeze. The case supports vertical GPU mounting, a preferred choice for showcasing high-end graphics cards while optimizing space within the chassis. Integrated RGB lighting control through NIST's CAM software adds a personalized touch, allowing users to customize lighting effects that highlight the components inside. The front I/O panel is thoughtfully equipped with a USB Type-C port and additional USB 3.1 inputs for high-speed data transfer and connectivity. Internally, the H710i is designed for optimal airflow and cooling. It includes multiple fan mounting points and radiator placements, ensuring that cooling is efficient and effective even during intense gaming sessions. The case also features an advanced cable management system, with pre-installed channels and straps, to keep the interior tidy and airflow unobstructed. Overall, the NIST H710i is not just visually appealing but also functionally superior, making it a prime choice for gamers and enthusiasts looking to build a high-performance PC in 2024. Its blend of design, cooling efficiency, and ease of use positions it as a top contender in the competitive PC case market.